So I got my new little rig all built today. i7 4790K overclocked, a few monitors, and there's my old PC right there. So what I'm going to try to do is load the same sequence on the old PC and the new PC at the same time, and see how much speed we got out of building the new one, and if it was even worth it. So let's see if I can set it up right there. Alright, let's see if we can do this at exactly the same time. And go. See if we can't pull a stopwatch up as well. Smaller. Oh. That one's done. Now let's start to see how much longer it takes for the old one to pull up. So we're already at about 17, 20, 23, 24. So we're already at 36 more seconds for the old one to open up, and it still has not opened. And that old laptop's no slouch. That's that G73 Asus Republic of Gamers with, there we go, so 48 more seconds for the old one to pull up. Not too shabby. Let's see, let's do that again. Oh, the old one's still not loaded. There it goes, okay. Open, pop up, open, pop up, and we'll do them at the same time, and we'll try to restart the timer over here on one of these screens. I need 3 hands. Alright, let's try this one more time. There we go. Alright, so glove and glove and go. It's 34 seconds to open up the old one. Or, I mean, sorry, 34 seconds to open it up on the new PC. Loaded, but now it's got to finish. There it goes. So, a minute 20.